Well, how does that look? It's been about maybe 3 weeks or so since I had dug up the grass and dug out the trenches, fixed the sprinkler main pipe that was smashed by the tree roots. This big old nasty tree roots underneath the main pipe of the drip irrigation system, as well as over the top, and it just went scrunched it down to smithereens. No wonder I didn't have any water over there, and I still have to work on that, but I wanted to show you that yes, the grass will grow back. I was careful with it when I took it up. You saw how I kind of shaved it and kind of rolled it up, and then how I did everything. I didn't just cut it out and kind of flop each little piece out. I tried to shave it and skin it with a little shovel and then roll it up and a little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. And now look at that. Spend a little bit of time, take your time with it, and your grass is going to grow back just like that. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And I tell you, I will never make a video that I think you can't do.